Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best plant-based diet is probably one of the most transformative and accessible lifestyle changes you can make for your health, the environment, and even your taste buds, offering a vibrant world of flavors and nutrients that can leave you feeling energized and revitalized, and it's simpler to adopt than you might think. Number 5. Plant-based diet for beginners. Discover the simple way to start a plant-based diet. This guide is perfect for beginners looking for delicious and healthy whole food recipes. Explore a collection of 75 mouth-watering recipes. Each one is crafted with wholesome ingredients to nourish your body. Eating healthy doesn't have to be complicated. We provide easy-to-follow recipes that fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. Experience the vibrant flavors of plant-based eating. These meals are designed to be both incredibly healthy and satisfying. This is your essential companion for adopting a plant-based lifestyle. Get ready to enjoy delicious, whole food meals every day. What we like. This option offers a curated selection of 75 delicious, whole food recipes specifically designed for beginners. If you're just starting out and want a manageable number of easy-to-follow, healthy meals, this is a great choice. It focuses on simplicity and taste to get you hooked on plant-based eating. What people say. This book provides a comprehensive guide to adopting a plant-based diet, covering essential nutrients, meal planning, and recipes. The recipes are easy to follow and cater to various dietary needs, making it accessible for beginners. It offers practical tips for transitioning to a plant-based lifestyle, including advice on overcoming common challenges. Number 4. The Complete Plant-Based Cookbook for Beginners. Embark on a journey to a more sustainable and healthier lifestyle. Discover the joy of delicious, plant-based eating with this beginner-friendly guide. Explore over 1,500 simple and nutritious plant-based recipes designed for everyday cooking. You'll find meals that are both easy to prepare and incredibly satisfying. Experience the vibrant flavors and health benefits of plant-based cuisine. Each recipe is crafted to be both delicious and packed with essential nutrients. Take the guesswork out of meal planning with an included 30-day plan. It's the perfect way to kickstart your new plant-based routine and stay on track. Embrace a more sustainable way of living without sacrificing taste or convenience. This cookbook makes plant-based eating accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Designed specifically for those new to plant-based diets, this book provides all the tools and recipes you need. Start your transformation today with confidence. What we like. With an extensive 1,500 days of recipes and a 30-day meal plan, this cookbook is perfect for those seeking long-term commitment and variety. If you want to build a sustainable, healthier lifestyle with a vast array of options and structured guidance, this is the one. It's ideal for individuals ready to fully immerse themselves in plant-based living. What people say. This book is a comprehensive guide to starting a plant-based diet, covering everything from meal planning to nutritional information. It provides practical tips and easy-to-follow recipes that make transitioning to a plant-based lifestyle manageable and enjoyable. The author explains the health benefits of a plant-based diet in a clear and accessible way, backed by scientific evidence. Number 3. Whole Food Plant-Based Diet Cookbook for Beginners. Embark on a transformative journey towards a healthier you. This cookbook is your perfect guide to transitioning to a vibrant lifestyle. Discover simple, delicious recipes designed to help you shed weight naturally. Embrace clean eating without compromising on flavor. Learn to prepare meals with no salt, oil, or refined sugar. It's never been easier to embrace a clean and nourishing diet. This cookbook is tailored for beginners, offering straightforward recipes that anyone can follow. Enjoy wholesome meals with minimal effort. Take the guesswork out of meal planning with our included 31-day plan. Start eating well and feeling great from day one. Transition to a sustainable, healthy lifestyle that benefits your body and mind. This guide makes clean eating an enjoyable experience. What we like. This cookbook emphasizes clean eating with recipes free from added salt, oil, and refined sugar, making it ideal for weight loss and a healthy transition. If you are looking to embrace a truly clean, whole food approach and prioritize health and weight management, this is your best bet. It's designed for those who want to detoxify and nourish their bodies effectively. What people say. This book provides a comprehensive guide to starting a plant-based diet, covering essential information on nutrition, meal planning, and recipes. The recipes included are easy to follow and cater to a variety of tastes, making it simple for beginners to incorporate plant-based meals into their routine. It offers practical tips and advice on transitioning to a plant-based lifestyle, addressing common challenges and providing solutions. Number 2. The Ultimate Plant-Based Cookbook for Beginners. Embark on a delicious journey with 1,000 days of vibrant, nutrient-rich plant-based recipes. Discover how easy and satisfying a healthy, sustainable lifestyle can be. This cookbook is designed for beginners, making plant-based cooking simple and accessible. Enjoy flavorful meals that nourish your body and the planet. Explore a vast collection of recipes that prove healthy eating can be incredibly tasty. You'll find inspiration for every day of the year and beyond. Take the guesswork out of meal planning with a comprehensive 30-day plan. It's the perfect guide to kickstart your sustainable and healthy eating habits. Embrace a lifestyle that's good for you and the environment. This guide provides the tools and recipes to make sustainable choices deliciously simple. From simple breakfasts to elaborate dinners, learn to create satisfying plant-based dishes with ease. It's your ultimate resource for a flavorful, healthy future. What we like. This option provides a massive 1,000 days of flavorful, nutrient-rich dishes, perfect for those who don't want to sacrifice taste for health. If you are looking for a wide variety of delicious plant-based meals that are also packed with nutrients and support a sustainable lifestyle, consider this. It's great for adventurous eaters who want to explore diverse flavors. What people say. This book provides a comprehensive guide to starting a plant-based diet, covering essential nutrients, meal planning, and recipes. The recipes are easy to follow and delicious, making the transition to a plant-based lifestyle enjoyable. It offers practical tips for overcoming common challenges, such as eating out in social situations, which is incredibly helpful for beginners. Number 1. Essential Plant-Based Cookbook for Beginners 2023. Discover the joy of plant-based eating with our comprehensive cookbook. It's designed specifically for beginners looking to nourish their bodies and minds. Explore a vast collection of 1,800 nutritious and wholesome recipes. You'll find endless inspiration for every meal, every day. Learn how to create meals that actively support your immune system. Feel stronger and more vibrant with every bite. This guide goes beyond just recipes. It's about enhancing your overall well-being. Embrace a lifestyle that makes you feel truly good. Take the guesswork out of meal planning with our included 28-day plan. It's the perfect roadmap to kickstart your journey. Enjoy simple, easy-to-follow recipes that are packed with wholesome ingredients. Eating well has never been this accessible. What we like. Featuring 1,800 days of nutritious recipes and a 28-day meal plan, this cookbook is designed to boost your immune system and overall well-being. If you are looking to enhance your health, strengthen your immunity, and follow a well-structured plan for a month, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for health-conscious individuals aiming for peak wellness. What people say. This book provides a comprehensive guide to plant-based eating, covering everything from meal planning to nutritional information. The recipes included are easy to follow and delicious, making the transition to a plant-based diet much simpler. It offers practical tips and advice for overcoming common challenges, such as dining out in social situations. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.